Welcome to SVFF, tiếng Việt giọng miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. Chào mọi người, mình là Phi. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at SVFF. In this video, we'll explore the difference between the Vietnamese Huyền tone and Nặng tone. Step-by-step pronunciation techniques for producing both tones correctly, along with clear examples and minimal pairs. A listening challenge to help you identify whether a word contains a Huyền tone or a Nặng tone. Real-life sentence practice to improve your pronunciation, listening skills, and confidence when speaking Vietnamese. In today's lessons, we will focus on the two important Vietnamese tones, the dấu huyền, low falling, and dấu nặng, the dark tone. After introduction, you will get some practice exercising to master them. Learning these two tones is the key to avoiding mix-up in meaning. Okay, the two tones, let's listen and see the difference. Mẹ, mẹ. One more time. Mẹ, mẹ. Both start low, but the length and the end is different. Listen one more time. Mẹ, mẹ. Let's talk about dấu huyền first. To pronounce mẹ tone, you begin at the mid-low pitch and let your voice gradually fall to a lower pitch. The movement should be soft, slow, relaxed, and smooth. Almost like you are sighing, without any sudden stop or break. Now listen and repeat after me. Mẹ, go. Notice that you don't start at the mid-level tone like mu, gu, lu, but you start lower. Bà, not ba. Go, not gu. One more time. Go. Next one. La. You try. Next one. Bồ. Hờ. Good. Next. Next, the dark tone, nặng. In this tone, you start a bit low, but then you drag down but even lower than the low falling tone. At the end, there's a bounce back, okay? Like this, mẹ, mẹ. This is just for the Southern Vietnamese dialect. In the north, they will sound a bit different. Now listen to some example. Try to repeat after me. Bà, cổ, lẹ, mẹ, kỹ. Good. Now let's compare the two sounds. Focus on the length and the cut-off sound. Listen, try to hear difference, and also repeat after me, okay? Bà, bả, cổ, cổ. Thò, thọ. Chờ, chợ. Mẹ, mẹ. Now let's practice in sentence. Focus on the rhythm and the tone ending. 1. Bà đi chợ mua cá. 2. Bà nấu canh cà. 3. Mai thấy bà ngồi ở chợ. 4. Má mình trồng lúa ngoài đồng. Now, practice time. I will say one word, you will listen and choose the sound, the word that you hear. 1. Mẹ. 2. Phù. 3. Bờ. 4. tỷ, năm mì. Okay, comment your answer below, we will check them out. So today we have learned how to pronounce the low falling tone, dấu huyền, and the dark tone, dấu nặng. The essential difference is the duration and the final stop. When practicing, the nặng tone drag it down, but there's a little bounce back at the end. You will hear the difference much more clearly. And that's the end of this video. Like, share, and follow for more videos like this in the future. Cảm ơn, chào bạn.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal of learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30 minutes trial here.